Welcome to a day in the life of SIMS during orientation. This 15-day program is meticulously designed to build endurance, resilience, and a sense of community among students through a well-rounded mix of activities. Each day is thoughtfully structured with a variety of exercises and intellectually stimulating sessions, ensuring that students are constantly engaged and challenged. Unique events highlight this period, such as the ISR activity, where students craft greeting cards for children in orphanages and residents of old age homes, fostering social responsibility and empathy. Additionally, business exercises are conducted, which require student managers to secure a one-day job, either paid or unpaid, with a certificate from the employer validating their effort. Another unique activity is the market survey, which encourages students to go into the field, interact with strangers, and compile questionnaires on contemporary topics to gather insightful data. It's not all work though, for there is an event called Health Management Through Music, also known as the Musical Night, which offers a creative therapeutic respite for the student managers. The final event, the Book Review activity, challenges students to distill a book's essence into a compelling stage act. These diverse activities are carefully interwoven to create an enriching and comprehensive orientation experience.
Every year, for the new MBA batch which joins, SIMS conducts a 2-credit course called Transformation from Student to Corporate. It's a 15-day course which starts in the morning at 6 a.m. and ends at night 11 p.m. The basic purpose of this course is to help students to transform themselves from a student to a corporate, as well as to learn about teamwork, time management, camaraderie, as also to bring out certain characteristics and qualities that are inherent in them which they may not be aware of. The complete 15 days is structured in such a way that not only do we have classroom classes on the basics of economics, statistics, case studies and book reviews, but we also have sessions such as motivational talks and other talks on specializations from alumni and from corporates. In addition to this, we have other activities which are experiential in nature, such as institutional social responsibility, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, then SIMS has talent, business exercise, and many other such activities. The morning starts with physical training as well as activities such as yoga, meditation, Zumba, games. Then we have, in addition to the classroom sessions, we have in the evenings batch meets where students are given assignments either as an individual assignment or as a trimate, pentamate or decamate assignments. These assignments they have to research upon and write and submit it within the time period, and next day they are called upon to present them. This helps them to develop their presentation skills, helps them to gain confidence, to face others and to work as a team and to manage all these activities within the time period. It's truly a transformational activity. It certainly transforms the students from the day that they join to the end of the 15th day. The rigor in the activity helps them to tackle the rest of the 2-year MBA program and make them confident in all respects. At the end of this period, one can really see the transformation in the students, and that is why we call it transformation from student to a corporate. Every year, this helps the students to develop themselves, and the feedback that we get is that this is what really made the difference and is helping them not just in getting their placements but also in their corporate life. Thank you.
Coming to what a typical day is like, it begins early. with students gathering at 5:45 am near the hostel premises for morning activities under the guidance and supervision of senior student managers known as SIMS student representatives, also known as the SSRs. As the clock strikes 6 am, the PT begins, with each division shouting their respective war cries, filling the air with energy and a spirit of camaraderie. This lively start sets the tone for the physical exercise that follow. From combative activities, Zumba, and modified games to sessions in the gym and yoga, each activity is meticulously organized to boost endurance and mental resilience. The sounds of active participation echo across the grounds as students immerse themselves in these energetic sessions. After the morning workout, the aroma of breakfast fills the air. Students head to the mess to enjoy their meal, share light conversations, and recharge for the day ahead. Between 7:30 am and 9:15 am, there's just enough time for everyone to freshen up, dress in formals, and gather under the dome for the academic sessions. The academic day begins as students make their way to the auditorium for a series of important lessons. These include guest lectures from industry experts who share their experiences, providing students with valuable perspectives that bridge the gap between academic concepts and real-world applications. As the morning progresses, each session seamlessly transitions into the next, keeping the students absorbed in an environment of growth and learning, structured in order to provide a blend of theoretical knowledge and practical insights. Students attentively listen and participate in discussions that stimulate critical thinking. By the time the sessions pause for lunch, students have absorbed a wealth of information and are ready for a well-deserved break. This offers the student managers a chance to unwind and discuss the morning's learnings over a hearty meal, allowing for both reflection and connection with peers. After lunch, the students return with renewed energy for the afternoon sessions. These sessions continue the day's theme of learning and development, featuring more guest lectures and interactive workshops designed to hone the skills essential for future leaders. Students are back in the auditorium, ready for the batch meet. This session is a pivotal part of the orientation, focusing on both the review and assignment of tasks that emphasize teamwork and project management skills. The batch meet commences with presentations by students who had the best assignments from the previous day, showcasing their work to the entire batch. These presentations provide valuable learning experiences and set a benchmark for the assignments to come. Following these presentations, the SSRs assign new tasks to the students. These assignments vary in complexity and collaboration, ranging from individual assignments to trimate, pentamate, and decamate assignments. Each type of assignments is designed to teach the basics of management, allowing the students to get equipped with the basics of various specializations like HR, marketing, finance, and so on. It also inculcates different skills from individual responsibility to team dynamics and large group coordination. As the session concludes, the students are briefed on their new assignments and informed that they have until 11 pm the same day to submit their work. This tight deadline ensures that students remain engaged and focused, learning to manage their team effectively while balancing the demands of their academic and extracurricular commitments. With their assignments in hand, students disperse to their dorms or gather in groups to begin working on their tasks, reflecting on the challenges they faced and the lessons they learned. Throughout the day, the demanding schedule of the SIMS orientation fosters resilience, discipline, and a strong sense of community, laying the groundwork for the transformative journey ahead at SIMS. Life at SIMS provides a transformative journey, equipping individuals with the knowledge, skills, and leadership qualities necessary to excel as future corporate leaders.